Hi everyone, my name is Risha. Today is the 22nd of September 2024. I'll be going over this week's, I can't remember the exact week number, I'll put this in the title, the review of the front testing strategy of the days open, previous days closed. Now this week was horrible, would have been horrible for this strategy. Since the first day we had a sell signal where we would have made a 2049.3 or 0.197% loss. On the 17th, we would have had a buy signal where we would have made a $3,753.47 or 0.36% loss. Another buy signal which would have given us a $4,319.64 or 0.416% loss. Then a smaller loss of only $54.45. And finally, another sell signal where we would have made a $748.25 loss or 0.074%. 74%. Now, we had started the week, we ended last week at 5.123%, and we closed this week at 4.07%. So that was a 1.053% loss in this week. Our alpha went from minus 7.935 to minus 10.109. So that's another huge, that's like a 2.1, approximately 2.1% alpha decrease. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you